Good morning, students. So, as we have done in last lecture, that average velocity is equal to total displacement over total time taken. Okay, and we have done case first when the distance is divided into two equal parts. Distance is divided into two equal parts. To calculate average velocity, we have done case first. Now we are going to do case second to calculate average velocity when time of total journey is divided into two equal halves, two equal parts. See, total distance here is s with a specific direction. Total distance here is s. Let us assume this is the total distance A to B. A to B. Now see, for first half a vehicle moves with the velocity v1 and it takes time t by 2. Okay, and for second half the vehicle moves with the velocity v2 and it takes time t by 2. Now you can see here we have divided the time into two parts. Total time is t and we have divided the time into two parts, t by 2 and t by 2. Now see, the formula is average velocity is equal to total displacement by total time. That is v is equal to s by t, displacement by time. From this formula you can get displacement is equal to velocity into time. That is टाइम यहां से चेंज होकर कहां आ गया, इक्वेशन के इस साइड, इक्वल के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर आ गया. ओके, सो फॉर्मूला क्या मिला हमें, डिस्प्लेसमेंट इज इक्वल टू वेलोसिटी इनटू टाइम. नाउ यूजिंग दिस फॉर्मूला वी कैन गेट डिस्प्लेसमेंट हियर. व्हाट इज द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन फर्स्ट हाफ, दैट इज s1. वी डिनोट द डिस्प्लेसमेंट इन फर्स्ट हाफ फ्रॉम द लेटर कैपिटल S1. S1 is equal to v1, which is the velocity for first half, and t by 2, which is the time for first half distance. Okay, then what is the displacement in second half? S2 is equal to v2, which is the velocity for second half. Okay, and t by 2, which is the time taken to travel second half. So we have here S1 and S2. Now what is the total displacement or total distance क्या था, S is equal to S1 plus में S2. First half plus second half gives us the total displacement, that is S. Now to get total displacement we have to add S1 and S2. So we does here S is equal to S, that is total displacement, is equal to V1 into T by 2. V1 into T by 2, we place V1 into T by 2 in the place of S1, and in place of S2 we put V2 into T by 2. Clear? And we add them up. After adding, what we get here, T by 2, we have taken T by 2 common from both of these quantities. T by 2 common आ गया, and अंदर क्या रहा ब्रैकेट में, V1 plus V2. That is the total displacement is equal to t by 2 into v1 plus v2. Okay, now what was the total time? Total time was t. Total time was t. And average velocity का formula क्या है? Total displacement by total time. So total time तो ये रहा and total displacement is here. Put both of quantities in this formula. Okay, what we get? Average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 into t by 2 and divided by total time, that is t. t से t क्या होगा, कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा, t से t कैंसिल आउट हो जाएगा. And what is the remaining term? Remaining term is average velocity is equal to v1 plus v2 by में 2. That is the formula given in your book for average velocity. v1 plus v2 by 2. In some books there are another denotation. For initial velocity they use u and for final velocity they use v. किसी बुक में अलग अलग डिनोशन से भी डिनोट किया गया है. इनिशियल वेलोसिटी को u से डिनोट किया गया है एंड फाइनल वेलोसिटी को v से. v1 की जगह u मिलेगा आपको कहीं कहीं एंड v2 की जगह v मिलेगा आपको. ओके, सो एवरेज वेलोसिटी इज इक्वल टू v1 प्लस v2 बाई 2 फॉर व्हाट? व्हेन द डिस्टेंस टाइम of total journey is divided into two equal parts. Okay students, I hope this is clear to you. Thank you class.